Luxury meets performance in the ultimate driving machine. This is the 2025 BMW X5, a car that's as versatile as it is powerful. The 2025 BMW X5 gets a striking makeover with its updated kidney grille, slim adaptive LED headlights, and bold new bumpers. BMW's attention to aerodynamics is evident, enhancing both the aesthetics and efficiency of this SUV. And those 21-inch alloy wheels? Pure elegance. Step inside, and you're greeted by unmatched luxury. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, fine wood trim, and BMW's signature curved display. A 1490-inch infotainment screen seamlessly integrated with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. With iDrive 8.5, you can control everything from navigation to ambient lighting with just your voice or touch. The spacious interior ensures comfort for everyone. Heated and ventilated seats are now standard, and the panoramic sunroof adds a touch of openness to every journey. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X5 offers multiple engine options. The base iDrive 4Y comes with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, delivering 375 horsepower and a smooth, responsive drive. Want more power? Opt for the iDrive 50e, a plug-in hybrid with 483 horsepower and a pure electric range of 40 miles, perfect for both city commutes and off-road adventures. And for the thrill seekers, the X5 M6i is an absolute beast with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. Roaring with 523 horsepower, paired with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, the X5 handles like a dream, whether on highways or rugged trails. Safety is paramount, and the 2025 X5 is loaded with advanced features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system comes standard. The optional highway assistant allows for hands-free driving in certain conditions, bringing cutting-edge tech to your fingertips. The 2025 BMW X5 isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. A perfect blend of luxury, performance, and innovation. Ready to elevate your driving experience? The X5 is waiting for you. BMW X5, designed for the road ahead.